get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest. I know you've had a really bad day, but I'm right here, it's gonna be okay. The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies ain't too gray, we're gonna be okay.
Good morning guys. Today is Sunday. I'm here now in Kuala, Kangsar, Perak. This is the side where the river side, the Perak River. I forgot the name. I will put in description. And we shoot some sunrise photography, landscape photography for today. This is the location I'm planning to shoot. I shot this location same years back also. I want to shoot again, but it seems the clouds is so thick. I'm not sure if I can get to see the mountains, because the target here is to shoot the mountain side from afar to see the layers of these mountains here. But it seems that the clouds is very thick, so I'm not sure it will be clear for another few minutes. The time now is 6:50, so we have another 10-15 minutes before sunrise.